Yep, that's me. Hey fashion flies, welcome back to my channel. That's so Allegra. I'm Allegra for those who don't know. I just want to immediately just thank all of my subscribers that have just found my channel over the past few weeks, whether it's my previous sewing tutorial you found me or whatever that made you come to my channel and hit that subscribe button. Thank you, I'm so grateful. Continue to like my videos and share them and just help me grow because it would really mean a lot to me. Okay, so today's video is going to be something I've never done, which is shocking, but it's only because I just started getting into this, and I also want to share some tips for beginners out there who are sewing and trying to get better and trying to make things but don't know how to use patterns. So Simplicity had a great sale at JOANN's where all of their patterns, which are normally like $20, were only $1.99. Like, that is mind-blowing. So I saved a ton of money on these patterns. And the best thing about patterns is that you can keep them for a long time. You can reuse them. I actually don't cut my patterns. Here's the first tip. The patterns come in different sizes. Like for instance, this pattern is size 10 to 18. If you want to keep the pattern in case you're making something for someone else and you know there's a variety of sizes you have to make them for, don't cut them, okay? Just don't do it, okay? For me, what has helped me keep my patterns is that one, I don't cut them, and two, when I want to use a certain size, I typically trace out the pattern with a marker from Dollar Tree. And the reason why the Dollar Tree marker is important is because it bleeds. So when I lay my pattern out on, like, whether I have pattern paper, or for me I used poster boards because they last longer. Another tip right there. But I lay the pattern paper on top and I get the marker from Dollar Tree and I draw and follow the lines of the size that I'm trying to make the pattern for. And all I'm doing is just drawing on top, you know, it's not cutting it up, it's not damaging it, it's literally just a line. And you can do different colors, you know, to let you know which size, whatever works for you. But when you do that, dropping stuff. That's so Allegra, I am always dropping things. That's so Allegra, I'm so plenty. Yep, that's me. When you use the marker to trace the pattern, when you lift it up, the bleeding has gotten onto the poster board, so you already have the outline on the poster board, and all you have to do is just cut it out, you know, make the lines perfect, whatever you need to do, and boom, you have the pattern right there. So that's what I've been doing. It's been working out great. Just a little tip I wanted to share with you guys. So now I want to show you the patterns that I got, okay? Simplicity 8701. I got the size 6 to 14, and it's just these pants that have the pockets in the front. Best thing about patterns, in my opinion, is that you can always alter them. You don't have to just make exactly what they say. Like, they have pockets here. I don't have to put the pockets that if I don't want to. And you know, I can if I do, or I can change the shape of them if I want to, or I can change it to a different fabric if I want to. Like, you don't have to go in thinking like, oh, I don't want to make exactly that, so I don't want to get that pattern. No, like, I just wanted a basic pattern to make pants that are either this length, this shape, this waist length, whatever. Something about it made me want it, and I can always alter it as I go, and that's just the best thing about patterns, in my opinion. So, and it says it here, pattern hacking, so you know. All right, the next one is Simplicity 8697, and this is a blazer pattern, which I found so cute. And you can always alter the sizes, obviously. I've already told you how to use the marker to get the different sizes. And with this, you can even mix and match, you know what I mean? Like, you see how they have the one that is plaid with a different collar than the one with the other fabric. But the thing is, you can make the one with the other fabric the same way as this one. You can have two different fabrics going on this type of design. So you can always switch it up. You can make it longer if you wanted to give it more of a like oversized blazer dress type of vibe. Like, switch it up. This one was very important to me because I struggled DIYing this type of pattern, so I really needed to buy one, and I'm so glad I found it. And this is a pattern for a bodysuit, and I've always found it difficult to make bodysuits just because I never got it to the right fit down there. So here to help, Simplicity 8513. And they give you all different types of styles for it, which is cute. You can alter those, obviously, but yep, very essential. Next one is another amazing fit by Simplicity, and it's number 8744. And what I like about this is that it's more fitted and modern, and you have an invisible zipper on the side. You can always make it longer. You can just make a higher waist. Like, I really love this pattern, and I'm glad I found it in my size, and I'm glad I got it for $1.99 instead of $19.95. This last pattern, I got a total of 5, is actually a vintage pattern from the 1950s, and it is the Simplicity 8645. And I thought this would be very cute for spring and summer coming up. I can obviously always alter this if I don't want that color, if I want a pleated color, if I want a lower V-neck. Vintage, and it's 50s, and it's $1.99. Alright, so those are all the patterns I got recently. Let me know if you guys like pattern hauls. Let me know if you guys like tips that I've been, learning as I go. I can actually make a whole video of tips if you guys want me to, but this was mainly about these great deals that I got on these patterns. So yep, that's it. Simple, short, straight to the point. That's all for this video, Fashion Flies. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, bye.